Have you ever wondered why your gitignore isn't always working as expected? Today, we dive deep into the nuances of version control to understand when and why gitignore might fall short. Let's start with basics. The gitignore file tells Git which files or directories to ignore, keeping them out of the repository. However, its effectiveness is sometimes limited by encoding. Issues and timing. One common issue is file encoding. If your .gitignore uses Unicode BOM instead of ANSI or UTF-8, Git might not be able to read it properly. This can cause files you want ignored to still appear in the repository. Another factor is timing. If files were added before .gitignore was implemented, Git won't automatically ignore them. You need to remove these files from the repository and then add them again for .gitignore rules to apply. .gitignore patterns match at any level below the file's directory if they don't start with a separator. This can cause unexpected behavior if you're not careful about where your .gitignore is placed. Sometimes, using gitignore for exclude or git update, index skip work tree can be better for handling files that are ignored but still tracked in the repository. These methods provide more control over file management. In summary, while gitignore is powerful, its effectiveness can be limited by encoding issues and timing. Additional tools like fgit's gitinfo exclude or git commands offer a more comprehensive solution. So there you have it, the complexities behind Git's file. Exclusion process. What aspect of managing your repository surprised you most? Let me know in the comments.